2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Go over there, Tasha.
Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Tasha!
Come on, we'll make a wish for you, okay? Alright.
Let's do it again. Carolina, stop! We can't take pictures of you. We can take pictures, huh? She's so sweet.
Let's get a knife.
I'll get a knife. So sweet. Oh, you should trust me with knives, Logic.
No, Bella's gonna cut it.
Yeah, that'll cut.
Bella's gonna cut the cake.
What a pizza slice you're doing?
Just
Wow.
give me
Lots
a
of pictures of you, Bella.
I'm trying to find a knife.
They're right there, baby.
Mama.
And where all the knives are, right there.
Right there, right in front of you.
Oh,
There's a block.
it's too short. Too skinny. Spatula.
Just right. That'll work. Alright, B. Get this hand.
I call the smallest slice ever.
Okay, ready?
It's ready.
Yeah.
Yay!
Good job, big
Bella.
girl. Good job.
Alright,
Alright. cut.
alright. Birthday girl. It's a birthday girl, huh?
She's smiling.